Good morning. Last class we have discussed saponification number or saponification value. Now in this class we are passing to iodine number. What is iodine number? The iodine number or iodine value of a fat or oil is defined as the number of grams of iodine. Number of grams of iodine that will be add to 100 gram of the fat or oil. So the number of grams of iodine that will be add to 100 grams of fat or oil. That number is known as iodine number, and the iodine is calculated from the number of equivalents of ICl, number of equivalents of iodine chloride. From that only we are calculating the iodine. Okay. So what is iodine number? The iodine number of or iodine value of a fat or oil is defined as the number of grams of iodine as calculated from the number of equivalents of ICl that will add to 100 gram of the fat or oil. Okay, look at it here. This is our fat or oil. This is our triolin. This is a fat. It is a triolin. Look at it here. Triolin. 1 mole of triolin, that means 884 gram of triolin is reacting with or is added to 3 moles of ICl. 3 moles of ICl is equivalent to 3 moles of iodine. That means 3 into 1 mole iodine, what is the molecular mass? 253.8 gram. Therefore 3 mole iodine is equal to 761.4 gram. That means here you can see that 884 gram of our fat, or if you take any oil, 884 gram of triolin is added to 761.4 gram of iodine is added to 761.4 gram of iodine. Now you can, that means 884 gram of fat or oil added to 761.4 gram of iodine. What is our iodine number? Iodine number or iodine value of a fat or oil is defined as the number of grams of iodine that will add to 100 gram of the fat. 100 gram of the fat. Here you can see that 884 gram is added to 761.4 gram. Therefore, 100 gram of our fat. Therefore, 100 gram of our fat is what is the number gram of iodine required? 761.4 divided by 884 into 100. That means 86.13 gram of iodine. What is the number of grams of iodine required to react with 100 gram of our fat or oil? 100 gram of our, here particular fat is triolin. To react with 100 gram of triolin, we need 86.13 gram of iodine. This 86.13 gram, that is the iodine number of triolin, and that is iodine number of triolin. So, what is the significance of this iodine number? Iodine number is very important to know the extent of unsaturation. That means double bonds present in the fat or oil. To know about the extent of the number of double bonds present in the fat or oil. How will you know that? Look at it here. What is the reaction? This triolin react with 3 moles of ICl, and look at here, what is the additional product? Here you can see a double bond. ICl bond will break, and I will go to the first carbon CHI, and Cl will go to the next double bonded carbon. So here you will get CHI, single bond CHCl. Similarly here also it will break, CHI, CHCl. All the double bonds will break, and it will come to CHI, CHCl. But this is equivalent to 3 moles of iodine. This 3 moles of ICl is equivalent to 3 moles of iodine. That means here you can see that the extent of unsaturation, there are 3 double bonds. And similarly, as the number of double bonds are increasing, as the number of unsaturation is extending, what will happen to the iodine value? Iodine value will also increase. That means if we get a higher iodine value for a fat or oil, that means the extent of unsaturation is also high. The extent of double bonds is also high in that fat or oil. Understood? Suppose if a fat or oil contains no double bonds, fully saturated. If the fat or oil is saturated, there is no double bond. In such case, we can see that the iodine number is 0. If the iodine number is 0 means the fat or oil is containing no double bonds. The fat or oil is saturated. Okay, once again I repeat, what is iodine number? Iodine number of iodine value of a fat or oil is defined as the number of grams of iodine, required to react with 100 gram of the fat or oil. Example is we are taking trioline. That means 1 mole, 884 gram required to react how many grams of iodine? 761.4 gram of iodine. 884 gram required 761.4 gram of iodine. Therefore, 100 gram required, what is that? 761.4 divided by 884 into 100. That means 100 gram of trioline required 86.13 gram of iodine. This is the iodine number of trioline. So significance of iodine number, that is also important to know about the extent of unsaturation, to know about the number of double bonds present in the fat or oil. As the number of double bonds are increasing, as the unsaturation is increasing, the iodine value will also increase. That means if fat or oil iodine value 0 means that fat or oil is completely saturated. This is the significance of iodine value. Thank you. We continue in the next class.